Hello everyone. Now the developmental assessment of the newborn. In this we have to assess the newborn in four domains: gross motor, fine motor, social and language, vision and hearing. So in gross motor we have to assess the newborn in four position. In ventral suspension we have to hold the baby in prone position with the help of our hand over the abdomen of the baby, and baby should be lifted in air, and we have to see the position of head, back and limbs. So head will be completely hangs, back is rounded, and knee and hip joint will be extended. As the baby will mature, after 2 weeks of life, baby will slightly lift the head for a moment, and slight flexion of knee and hip joint also occur. Now keep the baby in prone position. So here in this image you can see between 0 to 2 weeks of life, head is kept on one side, pelvis is high and knee under the abdomen. Between 2 to 4 weeks of life, baby will slightly lift the head and pelvis is flat and knee joint is slightly flexed and hip is extended. Now in the pull from supine position, here in this image you can see head is laid completely between 0 to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, baby will slightly lift the head for a moment. And this is vertical suspension. We have to hold the baby vertically under the arms, and baby will uh, show the walking reflex also when it will touch the couch. So this is gross motor. In fine motor milestone, baby will have the palmar grasp reflex. So hands predominantly closed. Here you can see in this image, this is grasp reflex. In language, cooing sound baby produce. In vision, baby follow the object less than 90 degree. We have to keep the preferably red color object 1 feet far from the eyes, and we have to move it, and baby will follow less than 90 degree. And for the sound hearing assessment, we have to ring the bell and baby will become quiet or startle response will be there. In social milestone, um, baby will have the face regard after 3 weeks of age. So between 3 to 4 weeks of age, face regard occur. Thank you so much.